very important thing for me to mention. I got this for free. Hello, Reggie Mama here. This is what we look like at 37 weeks. So it's officially nesting period. To start off this nesting series, boxing my breast pump and this flange size kit that I got off Amazon. So my first, I was using Mom Cozy, I think S1 Pro. For this one, I knew I wanted to try another brand, and you know, for like as a first time mom, we are just learning, we don't know much. So then I just bought a breast pump and I wasn't really producing a lot. That took a toll on me. Like that part I never got to share because it was just emotionally draining for me. So what happened, and I guess what happened, like the major problem was because the flange size for the Mom Cozy S12 that I was using for my first wasn't like a perfect match. So the flange size, I think it was too big for me and I wasn't really getting much out of it. So this time I decided that I wasn't just going to buy, but I was going to make my research. So I was checking TikTok. I was checking TikTok one day and then, you know, I saw this particular brand. That was the first time I'll be saying this brand. So this is Eufy S1 Pro. And one thing that stood out for me and that made me buy this was because it has like a pump warm for a better flow. So like it has a function that can like warm up the breast, just like to help produce better. Because with my first, I would first warm my breast with towel, like first massage it with towel, like with warm towel before I start producing. Guys, that's that was not even like my postpartum, like the first, I would say the first 2 months or like the first month really took a toll on me before I was like, see, Jesus, take the wheel. Like I don't even want to stress myself on anything. Like God, just take the wheel and just let everything go according to God's plan. So yeah, I ended up doing combo feeding because I wanted to like do exclusive feeding, breast milk. But yeah, I was not producing a lot. I went to the hospital. I got prescribed some medications that I was using, but it wasn't still helping. So see, at the point I was just like, and I think another thing again was because I wasn't like, I didn't really know much about it, so I didn't really like prepare my body when I was pregnant and like just prepare my mind and all that. I mean, it's one thing to try, and then it's another thing for it to work out. And it's one thing for you not to know what to do, and then when you now get to a point where you feel like, oh, had I know, I would have done it differently, or I would have done it this way, which would have made a lot of sense. So in this pregnancy, I've been cleaning. I started cleaning my nipples like around the late first trimester. Not every day, but like 3 times a week. Just trying to like clean off the dirt. Even if you bath, you still need to clean it because there are still dirt. So I use olive oil and cotton wool to clean that. Then I've gotten this one. I'm going to start my currently 37 weeks today. I'm going to work till 39 weeks. I'm going to work till 39 weeks, so I don't want baby to come before then, obviously, and I don't want baby to pass 40 weeks as well. We'll see. Anyways, so I'll start the nipple stimulation, just like try to induce labor around maybe next week. That will be like 38 weeks. So yeah, I'll start that, or maybe later this week. I just wanted to like unbox this one and like show you guys. And I also got this. I started taking this raspberry leaf tea and it. I've also started taking 6 dates every day. This is not the best thing in the world to take. Like, the taste is just something else, but I've been forcing myself to take it. I didn't take it yesterday. I only missed it yesterday. I started when? Like 3 days ago. But I missed it yesterday, so I'm going to take it today. And then I'm going to do this 2 cups of raspberry tea. Like, some people are also using okra water to induce labor. Aside from that, it has other benefits. Not like to induce labor, to like help with to help with like fast delivery process. Like, let's say your child will just slide out. So I'll try that. There's no harm in trying, and because it's like a good source of hydration, so I'll be trying that as well. I'll probably start trying that maybe by weekend. So yeah, this baby. So the first one here is the flange sizing kit. So like I bought them separately. Yeah, very important thing for me to mention. I got this for free. And how did I get it? So if you are in Canada, you're pregnant, you're expecting a baby, and you have a private insurance or like a work insurance, that can help you cover the cost of your breast pump. You heard that right. So for my own, like, because my work insurance covered this, and I had allowance of $300 from my health spending account. So that's what I used to get this, like for breast pump. So I use it to get this, and the insurance I use for work is Sun Life. So I got to pay $0 with my work insurance. You guys know I always put you on quickly, so I had to pay for this one. But for the breast pump, I think the total amount was like $23. So yeah, I had to pay like the $23. So it's more like I'm getting it for free. So let's unbox this. So we have different flange size kits here, and we also have like the measuring, the one that you can use to measure your nipple. I'll measure that later. That's what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I'll probably just measure it and like just pick the right size from here. So I wash it. This, you can't return it. So they already put instructions there. Oh, so they actually have a measurement card. Came with the nipple measurement card, and then the guide. How excited I am. The charging pins, clean and dry. Okay, so this is like this is the carrier, of course, but it also has a charging port where you can charge this. Then you can also charge the breast pump itself. So yeah, like that makes sense. So you just put it here and you're good to go. So you can see the lights blinking. And also, like, this is too cute, to be honest. This is too cute. Thing here. Oh, so actually, I didn't know this would have like different flange size, because the mom cozy that I bought did not have like, they didn't give me extra pair. This actually makes sense. I feel it's worth it, to be honest. If you ask me, it's worth it. So it has a brush. Then this one for, I think, the output. Then I think this would be the charger for both pump and the case. This is a good buy. Like, is a good buy. Definitely worth my money. I have other things that I've gotten. I'll do that unboxing later. And I haven't packed my hospital bag. That's 7 weeks. Bags not packed. Even the stuff that I ordered, I haven't gotten them yet. But I shall know that I know what I'll be taking with me to the hospital. So I think that's all that matters right now. Finally figured it out. Thank you for unboxing my breast pump with me, and thank you for checking it out with me, and thank you for watching. See you in another nesting video. Bye.